Hi everyone, welcome back to Diamond Paints with Mike. It's another Temu unboxing, and this one is a big shout out to Teresa's Journey. Yes, she does a lot of different wonderful paintings, normally acrylic stuff, I'll put her channel in the video description so you guys can check out her channel. Now, Teresa, I think I've made a bit of a balls up here. Because when you see this, it came and I was like, oh my god, that can't be that small. Now, Teresa has exactly the same thing. And in here we have, put to one side, it's the cute little Christmas tree with the blue and white baubles. Now, Teresa's one obviously was a hell of a lot bigger than mine. Unfortunately, I seem to have ordered the wrong size. I believe that the order description was that there was literally like only one size. So, Teresa, is that wrong or is it the same size as yours? Because I'm really not sure. Because the thing is about video, when you go like that, it will obviously look like a lot bigger. So yeah, I fell in love with that when Teresa showed her one, and I was like, I've got to have that. So it's a cute little, obviously, diamond paint. You've got various different colours of balls there, and you've even got the presents down here. And then what will happen is you get this cute little display stand. So it will sit into there like that. Now, looking at that, I don't think, I've not put it in all the way, but yeah, I was just having a look on here, because the birdhouse that we were doing, that was painted on the back as well. This one isn't, as you can see. So it does actually look like it's going to be, although they look like little numbers, they're not. It looks like it's only going to be the one side, which is perfectly fine with me. I'm happy with that. I'm not a lover of double-sided. So, yeah, it's a little bit small for me, but never mind. But in here, we've got ourselves a white tray this time. Oh, wow. Normally, we get so many green ones. Wow, interesting. A white tray. Oh, that's fabulous. Fantastic. That's new for Temu. Wow. And then in here is, oh, I've just seen, look at them. Oh, they're so cute. We have got the little baubles, and by God, this looks like a very small pack of jewels. In here, oh yes, look at them. They're going to go on that one there. They're beautiful. Look at that. So metallic, isn't it? Then we've got the big sort of pearl ones. And then we got the round ones. Did anyone at Christmas time, did anyone have them sort of necklaces? They were sort of like in a pearl shape, but they also did like Christmas chain ones of them as well. But you got another sort of smaller pearl. We've got some classic blue ones there and a silver as well. So not a very big colour coordination, but this is going to be superb for a little ornament for Christmas sort of time. But as soon as I saw Teresa have it, I was like, I'm having that. And that's the great thing about watching people do unboxings. We see it for the first time and we're like, right, that's it. Add it into the basket. Get it over here, you know. And yeah, absolutely love it. So can't wait to do that. We'll be working on that in December. Saying that, I might pre-record it in advance because I do a lot of filming in advance. So I'm eager to get into this. But yeah, nice little Christmas tree. I might get another few actually, because that would be quite nice to put on my desk. And then obviously have one apologies. And then perhaps have one in the living room also, you know. So yeah, really happy with that. So we'll put that over to one side, and that is the only unboxing in this one, because I only did the one order on this one. So yeah, apologies about the coughing. My nephew came over yesterday and he's got a bit of a cold, so looks like I'm just about to catch it. So but anyway, yeah, I'm a little bit disappointed that it's so small, but it's my mistake, isn't it? So just let me know, Teresa. But yeah, do check out Teresa's Journey. She has a fabulous channel. She does a lot of sort of, as I said, these acrylic ones. She's got that fabulous car that I really want with the interchangeable mumps that sit on the back of the truck. And you never know, Teresa, you might see it on the channel. But anyway, thank you very much for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe. And if you haven't done so already, tap that good old ring-a-ding-dong bell. And you can become a ding-dong and become part of the channel. And also subscribe to the channel. And that's totally free of charge. and you won't miss out on the action. So until then, take care, and we'll see you next time.